Hi guys, welcome to my vlog. Hi guys, welcome to my vlog. Nagluluto ako ngayon ng this is minced beef. Din fry ko with the garlic and the onions. I have to mince the garlic and then slice the onions. Yan. Fry lang until maluto yung beef. Mga lang, about 2 minutes na stir fry ko lang yung minced beef. And then next, I'll add the tomatoes. 2 piraso na tomatoes. Mga mga around 400 gram na minced beef. Yan. And then 2 large size tomatoes. Yan. And then I have to season with a teaspoon of sugar. And then with the light soy sauce, of course. Konti lang. This is my dinner for tonight. Then also I will add a little bit of black pepper na rin para medyo may lasa din siya. Hagdag sa ating spice. I have to reach out my black pepper. Medyo malayo siya sa akin. So, steady konti. So, add a little black pepper powder. And then, that's it. Ito na yung aking minced beef with tomato. Ang kapartner nito is the bok choy. I-boil ko lang yung bok choy. I have to taste if okay na. If not too sour pa. Ayan yung bok choy ko na vegetables. I-boil ko lang yun sa water. Boil for about 2 minutes. Yan ang ulam ko for tonight. Papakulo ako ng tubig. And then I have to fry 1 egg. Lalagay ko dyan mamaya sa minced beef with tomatoes. So, yan, konting mix-mix pa. And then, parang tama naman. Okay ng lasa. So, it's ready. Medyo iba pa, ko lang, stew konti with tomatoes para mas may sarsa. Kakaroon ng sauce. So, you have to boil the bok choy. Yan. Boil with hot water. Then after 2 minutes, tanggalin na yan dyan siya sa pinakulo ang tubig. And then I will add a little sesame oil. No yan. Plain water lang with no salt. Then malasa naman ang ating minced beef, so it's okay. Simple as that. Yan, ready na ang ating vegetables. Then I will add a drop of sesame oil. Yan, and then a little mix lang. Parang may aroma of sesame oil ang ating vegetables. Kayo, anong dinner nyo? So, I get ready the pot. I will cook the egg or fried egg. So, little oil lang. Hindi isang itlog lang naman ang lulutuin ko. Hintay ko lang mag-init ang aking little pot. Then, ayan. Hindi nakuha sa video yung pag-crack ko ng egg. Akala ko na-press ko yung the record. Yun pala hindi. Nag-direct na dito. Ayan. So, 1 fried egg lang. Nabalik pa rin ko lang para mag-equal ang luto ng itlog. Especially the red part. Yung medyo luto din. Hindi pwede yung malasado. Although I like the malasado style, but then lalagay ko kasi siya sa sa beef later. So kailangan medyo luto yung egg yolk. So ayan, it's ready. The beef is ready. So transfer ko lang sa bowl. Ayan, ready na ang ating food for tonight's dinner. For tonight's dinner. Ating sauce pa. Pwede na rin itong maging pasta sauce. Simple as that. Ayan. Ayan, ready na. And then the egg is okay. It's well done na rin. So, I have to transfer that one. Okay na. Ready. Transfer lang natin. Lagay natin as parang yung toppings ko ba sa minced beef. So it's ready. This is my dinner for tonight. Together with the green vegetables, the bok choy of course. Yeah, so that's it. That's my dinner. Kain tayo guys. Yan lang ang food ko for tonight. So, kain tayo. Salamat po sa panonood. Yummy. Kahit wala ng rice, okay na. Nakakabusog na rin yan. So, that's it po. Kain tayo. Thank you for watching and God bless everyone.